Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to build a tic-tac-toe game from scratch using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This project is perfect if you are a beginner and you want to understand DOM manipulation, event listener and game logic. Let's get started. Our game will have a 3x3 grid, 2 player X and O, and it will detect wins, draw, plus a reset button. First, let's create the HTML layout. Now we are going to let me just close it. Now we're going to create a new folder, which I've already done. You right click, press new and folder. I already created a new folder named YT, and in this folder I'm going to create the HTML file. And to do this, you press this new file button and you name the file index.html. Now you press shift 1 and tab to get this starter code, the Visual Studio code. You name the title Tic-Tac-Toe. And you are going to connect it to the CSS file, which is link colon CSS. That is link rel style sheet href equals to style.css. You follow the link and create the file. Now in the body tag, there is going to be a h1 tag named Tic-Tac-Toe. And the h1 represents a section heading. This is the biggest section heading. There are also smaller ones like h2, h3, h4, h5 to h6. So now I'm going to create the board container, which is a div tag. Now the div tag is going to have a class of board. It's going to have a class of board. Then we are going to make 9 buttons with the class of self. Now we're going to copy this, Ctrl C and paste it 1, repeat, Ctrl C, 2, that's 4. Now let's just create 8. That's 8. Then we just need one more. Ctrl C and 9. Now let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 buttons. Now the reset button. The reset button is going to have the ID of reset. So it's going to be button ID reset. Sorry guys. So just inside we have set game. Set game. Now we're going to connect it to the script. The script.js. That will be script .js, and I get control click create file, and that should be okay. Sorry guys for the interruption. Now we are going to the style.css. Now let's style the board with a CSS grid and make everything look clean and centered. Now for the body, and guys, if you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. The font family is sorry guys for the interruption. Now the font family will be area, just make this so let's see, area sans serif, and the text align will be centered, and the background will be a white color. So let's just do hashtag F4 F4. Now the dot board. That's the board class that we made earlier. And guys, here how to get this out is just shift square brackets. That's next to the P. Now display grid. So display grid to make it in a 3x3 row column. Make it in a 3x3 row column. You write the grid template column. Repeat plus 3. And the size should be 100 pixels. 100 pixels. And our cap will be 10 pixels. I justify content and the justified content will be center, and the margin will be 20 pixels auto. Like that. So we are done with the board class, and we are moving on to the dot cell. Those are the cell. Those are the buttons. So the width will be 100 pixels, and the height too will be 100 pixels. and the font size will be 2 rem. Sorry guys for the break interruption. Now the font size will be 2.5 rem. And the cursor should be pointer. The background will be white or any color you want. And the border should be 2 pixels solid. And let's make it black a bit. So guys, let's go to the reset button. So the padding should be 10 pixels. 10 pixels by 20 pixels. And the font size should be 1 rem. 1.5 rem. 1.5 rem. And the cursor should be pointer. The border should be 100 pixels. And the border radius 50 pixels. And the background color should be, let's make it red. Now guys, we are going to the JavaScript. Guys, make sure you press Ctrl S when you are done with all code. Ctrl S is to save. And now guys, now going to the fun part, the JavaScript. Now we handle the player turns, win condition, and game resets. Now first we are making a variable. We are using const cells equals to document dot query select all. Select all, and it should be dot cell. I don't check something. Guys, sorry, I forgot something in the HTML. We can just check. Guys, sorry. add this code to the HTML file. I made a little mistake. Sorry guys. Let me also check the CSS for me. Guys, sorry, there's nothing wrong with the CSS file, just the HTML. So console equals to cell and the status text, which I just added in HTML here. ID status. So the call status text status. So guys, we're going to name it status text. So guys, it's going to be equals to document.getById dot get by ID brackets quotation mark status. So the cost, sorry guys, now the search button. Set BNT. This is the BET for button equals to document. Wait, document.getById. And it's going to be the ID is reset. Now let's current player. So guys, I forgot the spacing. Current. Oh yeah. Turn this to capital T. Current player equals to X. And let's board equals to square brackets quotation mark comma. Just copy this. See, I think 9 should be good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I think that should be okay. Let me check. Oh, I forgot this command. Just make sure everything is okay before I move on. Just putting some semicolons. Now the let game be active. Let game active. Equals to true. And the semicolon. And now the cost winning combos equals to square bracket. So that means 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. That's the comma. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Three, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Yes, 6 or 8. And let me just comment on it. And to comment, you press 2 forward slashes. Now just comment. These are the rows. Now it's time for the columns. That's 0, 3, 6, and the other one should be 1, 4, 7. Square brackets. 1, 4, 7, and 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8. Now those are the columns. So now the diagonals. Diagonals are square bracket 0, 4, 8. Therefore, 8 and 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, and 6. Those are the diagonals. Now let's make the functions and the conditions. So guys, function, the name of the function is handle click. Handle click. This should be E. And cons index as index equals to U dot target dot data sets dot index. Now the same comes if bracket sorry guys, let's move these curly brackets. If check now, and if board index what square bracket index equals to game active. Active return. And the board index board square bracket index that means explanation mark equals to quotation mark. So I'm repeating the functions. Let me tell you guys the current equals current player. And E dot targets dot text contents equals to current player semicolon. And the E dot targets dot target dot class list must add brackets taking if brackets check now brackets curly bracket status text dot text contents equals to $sign current player oops we can still put the brackets you call brackets now the current player wins explanation mark. Now guys, here's our image. You just click reverse period and let me just add this one to see to add on. Guys, it's going to be in a string. Sorry, I forgot about that. It's supposed to be in a string. Keyboard. I think this kind of string is the one that works. Yes. So guys, I'm almost done. It's 15 lines together, so just 30 more lines to go. So the game active equals false. Now return line 29. If board dot include brackets quotation marks. No. Status text dot text contents the text contents equals to it's a draw. Draw. Exclamation mark. Then game active equals to false. There's just a few more lines left. Sorry for the break. Game active is equals to false. So return then the current clear. equals to current player equals to x now question mark o semicolon bracket x now it's now line 36 status text dot text content equals to sorry guys content equals to that's this the second row of keys, just the first key on the second row. That's this key. Let me show you on the keyboard. Okay. With the key I'm trying to show you is not on this keyboard, but it's just the first one on the second row of keys. Now the space context is player $sign Mr. current player pawn now 38 that's empty. Now function check player brackets return hey guys, now let's try to screen it's here. Guys, sorry, I made mistake of the quotation mark here. Now return mini combos dot sum brackets Okay, combo. Equals to brackets the what's that sign? Just curly brackets. Yes. Return combo dot every index sorry what the interaction guys, so index equals to board index board square bracket index equals to current player. Now the function resets game. This is the last function I'm making before we create this now. Yeah, X2. Function set game brackets colors brackets curly brackets boards. So you can copy from up here. Board Control C. Board equals to. So yes. Sorry for the noise, guys. Now the game max is equals to true. So guys, then the current player equals to X. equals to x and the status text content plus text content equals to player x turn. I think I wrote this before. No, I haven't. So player x turn and semicolon. Now line 50 cells default for each cells dot for each brackets for each cell. So the cells equals to curly brackets cell dot text content. So the text content equals to empty and semicolon. Cell dot class list dot remove brackets taken. So just put the circle here. Now cells for each brackets cell us to break it down. Cell. So guys, now let's just cell dot add event listener. Okay. Click comma handle click handle click. Now semicolon. Now reset button. Dot add event listener. Brackets click set again. Now for the last but not the least, line 59, the status text dot text content. This could be line 59. Now Control S, going to the HTML file. Now to run it. As you can see, this is the Tic-Tac-Toe game. Quick isn't quite working. Now guys, it's time for the last part of the video. We're adding the data index. I want to add data index 1. Then just add space to everything. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, browser. As you can see, the game is now working, and it has a beautiful GUI again. You can see the button is working correctly. Thank you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Happy coding. See you in the next one. Bye.